In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Snapchat on Android without Play Store. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the browser of your preference. On your browser, go ahead and search for Snapchat. Now, open the official Snapchat page. And here, go ahead and click on the download button at the top right of your screen, and this will take you in this page. Now, as you can see in here, you can download Snapchat on desktop or download Snapchat through Apple Store or Google Play Store. Now, if you don't have an Apple Store or Google Play Store, what you can do is to scan this QR code that you can see on the left of your screen, and this will give you the link to that page where you can download the APK of Snapchat. And once the APK is downloaded on your device, you can go ahead and install it on your device without a Play Store on your Android device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.